beautiful Saturday morning. Snow, not here. I guess some of you got a lot of, or a couple inches, just out of the blue the past few hours. So you guys braved it. I love it. Just a quick shout out to the group that came from Albuquerque that arrived here. Yeah. Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Yeah. So they showed up last night at about 11:30, maybe 12. Yeah, and we were out here, a few of us were playing, and they came to the door. We're like, can we help you? And they're like, we're here for the convention. So they were checking in. They get the award there for checking in the latest. Just a little story there. I hope you guys got more sleep than I did. I'm running off about 3 hours. So excuse me if I do not create cohesive sentences. I'll try my best. So today, I just wanted to do a real quick, going over the schedule here. So this morning, we did our first tournament. It's a Mulkey tournament. Mulkey, we did it outside. In fact, we're still playing it. I think they cleaned it up now, but they were playing it out here. It's a little pitching game with wooden dowels and stuff. It's a great game if you've never played. But we're going to do the awards here, the certificates. First, I'd like to introduce Captain Awesome. He's part of the PPG staff, the crew. If you haven't met him, he's a bit quiet. So, but I'd like to just kind of go over this real quick. Those that do participate in tournaments and either first or second will get a certificate. This is awesome. Very prestigious. It's called the Classy But Sassy Award. And you also get your name in there as well. And it says, all attendees recognize and affirm your superior gaming prowess in, and this is Mulkey Tournament. So give it up for Doc right here, for Captain Awesome. And I'm going to let him do the other awards here.
Thanks, Jose. Yes. No. Sure. Coming in, we'll affectionately call it... Second! Place. It's going to be a team combined of Nikki. You right? Yeah. Billy Van Hart. And John Thays. John, come on in. Come on. Congratulations. Congratulations for not winning. However, the winners and reigning champions now for the PPG Mulkey Tournament. First ever. In addition to myself. Rigged. And we'll note that there's first place with an asterisk. Because I technically did run the tournament.
And kept score.
The fearless leader, ladies and gentlemen, Taylor Schaefer.
Yes.
And right behind her, always beside her, Mr. Derek Schaefer.
Yeah.
Give everybody a big round of applause. Thank you, everybody, to all the participants for playing. Congratulations. We look forward to doing that next year. Now, Jose, did you have a couple other comments about what's coming up later in today's convention?
Most definitely. So if everyone got a trifold, it shows the schedule for the remaining days of the weekend here. At 1 o'clock, we have another game. It's just come learn. It's called Cub. I've never played it myself.
Was it a noon or is it 1?
It's a 1.
Oh.
1 o'clock. Smiley, the gaming sommelier, will be teaching it.
I will be teaching it.
So hopefully he knows the rules. I think he does. He studied up all last night. Yes. Okay, so it's team-based. It's fun. I've never played it. So whoever's interested, come on out. At 2 o'clock, my wonderful wife, Jenny, give her hand. Yes, is here to tell you what she's going to do at 2 o'clock.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome. Alright, so we're going to be doing an Explore Manitou tour. Manitou Springs is famous for all of its natural springs, and they're all drinkable. So we'll be walking through. We've got maps, we've got tasting cups. I don't know that we'll have time to hit them all, but we'll walk around for a couple of hours. It's a nice chance to exercise a little bit if you've been sitting down for hours. If you're tired of sitting down for a few hours, and if you're new to Manitou or just never walked through all the natural springs, it's a lot of fun. So please join me for that. Also, some of you guys have asked for meal suggestions, places to eat. If you're not familiar with Manitou, we have so many fantastic restaurants and bars for later, or no, I'm not judging, that are really close. We're going to be setting up the end of this table with some sample menus and places that we would recommend going. Also, hop on Yelp. The reviews are pretty straight on those. They'll explain everything you need to know. They're pretty accurate too. We've got some really great places to eat that are within easy walking distance. So, if you guys need any help, holler at one of us in a red shirt, except for the short ones. They're not super useful yet.
Oh, we're great
The ones at the
librarians.
table are fine.
They're great librarians.
Okay, just one more minute. Thank you for bearing with me here. We're doing a teaching tournament at 2 o'clock. All the signups are right here. So if you've never played, it's like a trick-taking game, two-person teams.
Are you gonna have anybody teach you before 2 o'clock?
We do like 2 to 2:15. You were going to give a demonstration with a quick hand
Yes.
for those that have not
Like an
played.
introductory hand for this.
He's going to teach you. Teach you.
We will teach you.
And then at 4 o'clock, we'll probably pause the teaching of the teach you. Board Game Bonanza, there are a handful of people that are going to be setting up. We're going to cordon off one of the sections here, and they're going to have games that they're selling. So it's just them, it's just haggle, barter, trade, whatever you want to do, okay? That's at 4 o'clock, ends at 5. And then tonight we're having the Texas Hold'em tournament run by Johnson, the GOAT, the gamer of all trades, is that what he said?
Oh, he makes it.
Yeah, he makes a lot of stuff up. So sign up for that. If you guys have any questions or you want to give me suggestions, okay, this is your con. I want to make this the best time possible. I'm honored and humbled that you guys came from various places, okay? What? Yes, we do have a surveys here, but if you want to personally tell me, like stuff, you can do that. But yeah, hey, thanks guys, appreciate that. But I want to make this an awesome annual convention for gamers like you guys. So thanks again for coming. Really appreciate it. Have a great time. Talk to any restaurants if you have any questions. Game on!
Game on!